Hi, everybody. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving and are well rested for this 3 week sprint that you'll be having until the students leave for winter break and you don't see them until January. We're in Module 4, which focuses on geometry concepts taught in middle school, even though the course as a whole has a focus on geometry in elementary school. I think everyone recognizes the need for teachers to know both what comes before and what comes after they are teaching. So, learning about the concepts that students will learn about in middle school and thinking about how what we teach in elementary school creates the foundation for those skills can be very helpful in preparing students as they move through the Van Healy levels. The bulk of the reading is from Van de Waal and Beckman. You'll begin with some readings that relate to area, volume, and surface area. And then there's readings in Beckman that relates to circles, as well as an article called Get to Know a Circle. The two discussion threads, there are only two in this last module. One of them relates to the readings from Van de Waal and Beckman on area, volume, and surface area, and then the other relates to the readings from Beckman and the article related to circles. Finally, there are some GeoGebra interactives that relate to transformations, which are one of the concepts that students explore more fully when they are in middle school. There is a suggested pacing guide. The bulk of the work I have front-loaded into this particular week so that you can have as much time as possible to work on the geometry synthesis paper. The Module 4 assignment is the Geometry Instruction Synthesis paper. In this paper, you are going to be talking about what your current knowledge, beliefs, and understanding are about effectively developing students' conceptual understanding and geometric reasoning skills, as well as how those knowledge, beliefs, and feelings about geometry have evolved throughout the course. And then talk about how you would use the knowledge you gained to professionally develop teachers in their own understanding of effective geometry instruction. The scoring guide in the rubric lays all of these out. While there are two different sections here in the criteria, one for your current state of knowledge, beliefs, and understanding, and one for how they evolved, don't feel they have to be two separate sections. Those can be interwoven as you write, and then I will just be looking for evidence of both of those. You'll need a minimum of 3 citations within the paper, as well as using correct spelling and mechanics and adhering to all APA formatting standards. I sent earlier in the course a link to a sample paper. I will reattach that here in this announcement so that you can take a look at that as you are working on your paper. Thank you for all your work in the first 3 modules, and best of luck in Module 4.